Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting the slide dimensions to 16:9 and export ready 1900 20 x 1080. This guarantees crisp video. Next, draft a concise script with 3-5 points per slide so your narration stays tight. Record a mic test and adjust gain. Use a quiet room to reduce noise. Once done, open your screen recorder and choose the window capture for PowerPoint. Press record and calmly narrate each slide, keeping steady pacing and pausing briefly between ideas. Now focus on editing. Import your recorded slide footage into an editor and trim long pauses so every key point lands at about 4-6 seconds. This keeps viewers engaged. Enhance clarity with subtle zooms and simple transitions, and add callouts for emphasis. Make sure fonts are large and contrast is strong so visuals read well on phones. Once done, align and trim your voice track to match slide changes, then normalize levels so audio stays consistent throughout the video. Finish by exporting the final edit as H.264 MP4 at 1920 x 1080, 30 fps with an 812 Mbps bitrate to balance quality and size. Prepare a clear title, bold thumbnail, and 2-3 focus tags, plus a 100-150 word description to help viewers find your content. Upload to YouTube and watch the first playback for sync and quality. If you encounter audio desync, relink the corrected audio to the timeline and re-export only the affected segment. This saves time and preserves the rest of the project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.